In this video, I'll show you how to find your Facebook ad account ID step by step. Your ad account ID is important for managing billing, connecting tools, contacting Meta support, sharing account access, and setting up integrations with platforms like Shopify, analytics tools, or automation software. The good news is that Facebook makes it very easy to locate once you know where to look. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Ads Manager. Log into the Facebook account connected to your advertising account. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure you select the correct ad account if you manage multiple businesses or clients. After entering Ads Manager, look toward the top left or top center area of the screen. Near the campaign name or account selector, you'll usually see your ad account name along with a long number beside it. That number is your Facebook ad account ID. You can also find the ad account ID by opening Business Settings inside Meta Business Manager. To do this, click on the menu icon and navigate to Business Settings. Then go to Accounts and select Ad Accounts. Here, Meta will display all connected ad accounts along with their unique account IDs. Another quick method is checking the URL inside your browser while using Ads Manager. In many cases, the ad account ID appears directly in the web address after =, followed by a long string of numbers. Those numbers represent your advertising account ID. If you need to copy the ID, simply highlight the number and save it somewhere secure. This ID is often required when connecting third-party tools, verifying ownership, setting up APIs, contacting support, or granting account access to agencies and team members. It's important not to confuse your ad account ID with your business manager ID or Facebook page ID. Meta uses different IDs for different assets inside the platform, so always make sure you're copying the correct advertising account number. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find your Facebook ad account ID. Knowing where to locate this number can save time when managing integrations, billing, permissions, and support requests inside Meta's advertising system. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Facebook ads, Meta, and digital marketing tutorials.